Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here again with another dupe Friday. So if you want to see what I dupe out, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. We have a lipstick, not lipstick, a palette. So we can go ahead and create a look. Create a look, create a look. And we're definitely gonna use this palette. So in the order V, I'm gonna go in with Opulent, which is this color, the blue. And this is on a T36 from Makeup Shack. And just keep on applying. So this is blending very well. So that's good because dark colors like this can be very difficult, you know. Very difficult. There's a 433 from Morphe M433, and I'm just gonna go to the edges, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is called Elegance, and I'm just gonna put it like literally on the edge. And then just keep on blending it. Like so, and then I'm gonna go back to this for a little bit. And just keep blending. Remember, like it's okay if you have to go back in and then go back out, because it's just, you know, sometimes you have to do it to blend everything. Perfect. So now I just need a little glitter glue. I like to put the glitter glue like on the back of my finger and then just tap it like this. And then just put it here. And I think I'm gonna put Majestic, and I'm gonna use this M421. Majestic is like this shade. Okay, and now I'm gonna use this. This is a Y212, and I'm thinking, is this gonna blend this? I'm gonna use Transcendent Beauty right here, and just to like blend this out a little bit. Okay. So that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are back, and I'm gonna use my Perricone MD No Makeup Foundation Serum. I don't even know. Ooh, ooh. And this is my love, is the foundation brush. I haven't used this in a minute, which now I'm like, what? I'm seeing why I didn't. This is very liquidy and there's like literally no coverage. Maybe that's like for a no makeup look kind of thing. It matches me very well though. Very but it is very liquidy and very much no coverage. But that's fine because I'm not doing anything crazy today, so maybe I don't need any crazy makeup or base because you know that eye is already a lot. And I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty concealer. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this. Like so. I'm gonna use this. This is actually from NARS. It is the Laguna 04. And I'm gonna use my Lithe blush. This is a flawless concealer blush. I do need a brush. I feel like I just had a brush and I lose my brushes. I put them to wash and then it's a wrap. Who is this from? Actually, Melt Cosmetics. And that one is, it doesn't say, it just say Melt Cosmetic, and you just take an angle brush like this. So yeah, and then let us blend this concealer. I'm gonna use this brush, my slick brush. I'm trying not to put like too much, you know, because the foundation is so light. Oh, not so light, sorry. So yeah, lightweight. I'm not trying to do, you know, too much. And then just right here. Oops, I don't even know what fell. And then right here. And then just right here. See? Perfect, 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 perfect. See, you see why I caught this? Because it just takes forever to like do this. Not too much. And then I'm gonna go into my micro smooth powder. Stop this, stop this, stop this. And then just like, I don't know, I feel like I need to put a little bit more under my eye. Yep, because that's gonna crease. Crease, 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 crease. Doop, 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 doop. Okay, so now we need a bronzer. I'm gonna use my matte rich golden skin finish from MAC. Like, look at all this steady patch. I'm gonna use my Cheeky Bits Extra Dimension blush from MAC. And my Japonesque brush. And a little highlighter. Let me use my Black Panther collab. Okay, and for lip, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Kevyn Aucoin Unforgettable Lip Definer, which is what I got in my BoxyCharm. What shade is this? Minimal. And then I'm gonna use the Kevyn Aucoin lipstick, and this one is in shade Falmadora. Yep, Falmadora Cream. Okay, so let's go ahead and test out my dupe Fridays. So I'm using the Toy Factory SuperSet setting spray, and I'm gonna put this on the side of my face. Let's do this. So you know this helps this. I actually don't really like the smell of this, so let us find it out. And then on this side of my face here, I'm gonna use the Benefit Professional. Whew, I was sneeze. That was funny. So let us go. I feel like they look, but they feel good. They both feel, you know, nice and setting and hydrating. So let's read a little bit about the Professional SuperSet. It is, so it's like perfect, right? Because they both are called SuperSet or SuperSetter to that effect. The Benefit one is $35, and it says, first apply primer, any makeup, shake bottle well, and you know, spray to close your eyes and mist over evenly, reapply as needed for a refreshing boost. And that's $35. You know what I like about this? The mist. It's just like nice and, you know, not so aggressive, but it has a really nice mist. And let's jump into the Toy Factory SuperSet. It's simple because we automated your serum and setting spray now one, and that look you just created is about to last all day, all night. SuperSet uses hyaluronic acid to lock in your color payoff while coating your skin with a misty serum expertly formulated for all day hydration and a dewy, soft, professional look. I mean, so this dries super fast. This didn't. Like, I feel like this is still a little bit tacky, whereas this doesn't feel tacky. But I feel like they made the makeup look the same. The SuperSetter from Toy Factory is $24, whereas it's $35 with Professional. I don't think it's a dupe. I don't think it's a dupe. Like, I actually don't like the smell for the Toy Factory one. I feel like I don't know. I don't like the smell. I don't like the mist. The mist is just like so aggressive, like in your face. I actually did not buy this. I got this in my BoxyCharm. Not this BoxyCharm, but you know. So it's just, I don't like it. I don't like it. I like the smell. But if you like the smell and you don't mind the very aggressive spritz, then you can go ahead and get it, because they pretty much do the same thing. If you have dry skin, you might even like the Toy Factory more, because I think this gives you like a little glow, whereas this don't really. But I don't think they're a dupe. They are not a dupe, but if you have the Toy Factory one and you use it, that's fine. But yeah, so that's it guys for this Dupe Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.
wish me now.